we're going to make an acoustic levitator. Here are all the bits we need to do that. We've got our signal generator that's going to output the sound. We've got our amplifier here that's going to boost the sound. That's going to excite this loudspeaker here, which is going to generate the sound. And then we've got a whole load of other bits and pieces here, and that's kind of where we're going to do the levitation. Right, let's get things connected together. So we go from the signal generator there. We take that into the back of our amplifier here. So signal generator to amplifier. And then we need to connect our loudspeaker. So we go connect these things up here. So our amplifier is going to our loudspeaker. Excellent. And then we are going to attach this in this clamp stand here. And so we've got the loudspeaker positioned above this reflector, and it's in this space here that we're going to do the acoustic levitation experiment. So it's going to be really high intensity sound in here. So we're getting 26 kilohertz. So that's in the ultrasonic frequency range, so we won't be able to hear the waves. We press the output. So now our signal generator is generating a sine wave, which is sending to the amplifier. And now we need to turn up the volume here.